Hello guys, and welcome back. This is Harmonweb for a stronger web identity, and today I'm going to be taking you on how to design a law firm website. There are lots of lawyers out there right now that actually own a law firm, and they would so much need a website. They are in need of a website. They can just give the gig to you, and as someone who is not technically, or let me say has knowledge in coding, can just watch this tutorial and get started and build something so beautiful that the customer or client is going to want. So that's what I'm going to be teaching you guys today. So before we start, you have to get your web hosting and domain name from us, Harmonweb. Very cheap, fast services. Get it on harmonweb.com. Okay, I've gotten mine and I'm in the services page. Okay, so after getting your website and your web hosting, you can also come onto our YouTube channel to watch different tutorials on how you can buy a web hosting and domain name on Harmonweb. Okay, after purchasing your web hosting and domain name, the next step now is to install WordPress on your website. I already have WordPress installed on my website, and to cut everything short, you can also go to our YouTube channel or check the video description for the link in order to watch for the YouTube video link, which teaches you different ways and different steps on how to install WordPress on your website. Okay, that's get your web hosting and domain name first, then install WordPress, then you get started. I've already installed my own WordPress. Okay, now let us log into our admin panel. So in order to achieve this kind of website that we're trying to build, which is a law firm website, okay, we're going to be using a particular theme which is named Blocky. But before then, after logging into your WP admin panel, which is your WordPress admin panel, come under and click on appearance, then click on themes. Okay, first of all, you go to what appearance, then you click on what themes. After clicking that, it takes you to this page where you are going to see all installed themes on your website but not yet activated. As you can see, you have to activate it. So next step now is to add a new theme on your website. So what you want to do is you have to come here and click on this add new theme button. Click on it. After clicking on it, you'll be redirected to this WordPress library, theme library. As you can see, there are currently 5,174 WordPress themes, which are actually free, and they also have few of them have their premium. So not to take much of your time, you can just scroll down and install the theme. This is the theme that we are going to be using right here. This is it, Blocky. You can just install it, or not to take much of your time, just come here, then search for Blocky. Okay, so now we're under it. When you come under it, then you click on what the install button, then you wait for it to install on your website. That's the third step, installing a new theme, which is the Blocky theme. That's what we're going to be using. Okay, now it has been installed successfully. The next thing is to what? Click on activate, so that we can use what our new theme. So now let me go onto our website and reload. You see, it's not going to be like this anymore. Now it is like this. That's because what I've installed a new theme. This was the theme that was there before, and because I installed a new theme, the design and everything changed. Okay, so after installing the Blocky theme, you're going to see this notification right here, Thanks for installing Blocky, you rock. Next thing is to just click on this button to install the Blocky companion. It's a required plugin, a required extension of the theme that you would need. There's no way you'd use this theme and you would not install this Blocky companion theme. Your theme won't actually work or give you what you want. So let's wait for it to install and activate. Okay, it has been activated successfully, and now we're going to be reloaded to our Blocky companion, the Blocky companion dashboard. Okay, so now this is the Blocky companion dashboard. It has customizer shortcuts already for you, where you can edit the coloring of your website, the typography, the footer options. This is a footer. Here is the footer. That's the below part of your website. The last part of your website, the down, is called a footer, and why this is called your header. This place is called your header. Okay, you can edit your header options, blog option, post options, page options, and also the sidebar options. Not taking much of your time. Next thing to do is to click on this starter site. Okay, this starter site contains lots of different already made websites. These are already made websites that you just import into your own, then you can be able to manipulate or design to whatever you want it to be. Okay, so now let's click on it, then let's wait for it. Okay, like I said, some themes have their premium while some are fully free, but this is actually a WordPress theme that has its premium version. As you can see, in order to be able to use some of the pre-designed templates, or let me templates, you have to buy the premium version. As you can see, pro. That means if you are willing to use this, you like this blog or news website design, you should actually purchase the premium version of this theme in order to be able to enjoy and import the design, the content, and everything. Okay, if you also need a cosmetic website, you need the premium version. If you need a real estate website, you surely need the premium version. So without not taking much of our time, as you can see, there are different already made websites that you can just import and use on your website, then just simply edit. So like I said, we're creating a law firm website. Let's go down, and this is what we're going to be using right here among others. Okay, this justice is what we're going to be using. So what we'll do next is click on what's the import button. Then let me explain this place for you. Why you are installing child theme is because for let me say manipulation without having a breaking point, or let me say without having to destroy your website. Okay, so as a complete newbie, I would advise you to install a child theme, but me as a professional, I don't really need the child theme because I can also fix any technical issues or error that occur or come up. Okay, so as a beginner, you must install this, then click on next. But as a professional, I don't need it. I'll click on next. Then in this page, you have to choose a page builder. The best page builder for WordPress remains Elementor, proven and has been serving for years. It remains the best page builder. Select Elementor, then click on next. Here you have to install and activate the required plugins in order to be able to manipulate the website to your own taste or wish. Okay, so now that's what we're going to be installing. This contact form mainly is a WordPress plugin for creating different types of forms. On this type of website, there's going to be something like a quotation form where people can request a quote to work with the law firm. We're building a law firm website, so it has to be realistic. That's what this form is for. And this Elementor is, we already know what Elementor is, the page builder. So now click on next. import content, select everything so that it can fully import the template for you. Then you can just delete the posts and some other things that you don't need at all. So next thing, now final step is to click on the install, and let's wait for it to install successfully. So now, as you can see, it is installing what the required plugins first and activating them automatically. As you can see, don't let us forget how our website is now. It is already installing. Let's wait while it installs completely. But to not take much of your time, I'm going to pause this video, then resume it back once the installation is complete, so it won't take much of your time. Though this takes less than 1 minute, and as you can even see, it's already in 27% and would soon be done. Okay, so let me pause and resume till it's actually completed. Thank you. Okay, so now it has been successfully imported on our website, as you can see. So now let us view our website. Don't forget our website looked like this. Now let's click on the view website to preview how our website looks now. Amazing, already made website for you. You don't need to stress yourself to start building from scratch. As you can see, everything already there for you, ready made. If you remember, I talked about a quote form. This is, you see, this is the work of that WP forms that was installed. Okay, this is the footer section of your website. Don't forget, this was how our website is before, and now this is it. Amazing. So now the next step is to customize your website to your taste. Okay, so now what I'll be customizing now, let us rearrange this menu to home, about, services, contact us, then the news. So in order to be able to edit this menu, or if you want to edit this, click on the customize, or when you're on your website, just come on here to click on this. It will redirect you here. You can just click on it. Sorry, to change this, you have to come under site identity. Under site identity, you can change your site title and the tagline, then select a favicon for your website. So you can just hover on it, then you see this. From here, you'll be able to select your own logo that you want for the website. Okay, same also goes to this, the menu section. Okay, select menu. You have to create a menu first. So scroll down, you're going to see menus here, then this is the menu. Here you'll be able to edit them. Okay, footer menus are also different. Okay, so now, like I said, we want to rearrange it. Okay, so I'm dragging this here, then publishing it. Before it was home, services, about, news, contact. It has been successfully arranged. If I want to change this now, this phone number, I can just hover on it and click on it. It's a button. Okay, yes, I guess there's a technical issue here. Let us reload our website first. Okay, we're here. Very good. As you can see now, you can edit where on click on of this number. Since it's a phone number, it is telephone colon, the number that you want to type. Okay, if I want to also change the number, you can do that right here. Okay, then don't forget to publish every changes that you make to the website. If you don't publish the changes, I'm very sorry, you are going to lose the progress of your work. Okay, very important. Always publish after editing anything. So it's published. Now let's quit and focus on how we can edit the pages itself. Okay, this is my website. Let's reload. This was the old view. So now I want to edit this home page. There are two ways in which you can do it. You can just simply come here and click on the edit with Elementor, which will carry you straight to the editor, or in your admin panel, go under to pages, all pages. Then you know what, you're editing the home page. This is the front page, which is the home. You just click on what, over upon it, then click on what, the edit with Elementor button. Straightforward, fast and easy. Okay, instead I'll be using the first option, which is this. So now let's just edit a few parts. Okay, it says your site doesn't have a default kit. Seems like your kit was deleted. Please create a new one or try. Next is what, recreate kit. Some may not tell you to recreate, some will go directly to the editor, but because of there is no available kits, you know it's a new website, so we need to do that. Recreate kit. The kit recreation is already successful. Now let's reload. Great. Now it has what, loaded up fast and straightforward. Okay, so now let me edit this text. I don't like, it's not, the English is not even really correct. You deserve fair trial. It's also good, but let's put it to you deserve fair trial. Get free legal. You can just over upon anything you want to edit, and if it's this particular one that you want to edit, you can just come under to the container, click on the style, then you can change this background image to anyone that you want to change it to. Also, you can link these buttons to any pages or even the contact us page. The free consultation should surely be linked to the contact us page. Learn more should probably link to the about page. That's that on that allow to edit the pages itself. Okay, in order to learn more on how to design websites with WordPress, Harmonweb actually has an academy that teaches you how to do that. So this is the Harmonweb Academy. You can just visit the URL academy.harmonweb.com. You will get access to the Harmonweb Academy, whereby you will be teach advanced things that you're going to learn, like designing, the coloring, font size, typographics, and the rest. You're going to learn everything in the WordPress web design class on Harmonweb. We have the physical classes and also the online classes. Okay, and this is what you are going to learn. Can you see it's fully packed, fully explained, and fully packed, and it costs us just 80,000 naira for a session. Okay, the next class starts soon. So that's that on how to design a law firm website. You already know how to edit your pages. You can edit the text, images, and anything that you want to do using the Elementor plugin, which is already installed for you. Thank you, and see you in the next video.